I'm still congested, y'all, a little bit, so don't be like, oh, she talk like, I know. Anyway. Hey guys, what's up? It's Princess, CEO of LovePrincessShop.com, and today you guys are tuning into episode 2, all about promoting, marketing, and branding for your business. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we get into the video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and shop my website at www.loveprincesshop.com. I'm going to leave all of my social media accounts below, and you guys can go follow me over there. So this is not going to be a super long video. I don't want to hold up all of you guys' time. I'm going to get right into it. We're gonna go down the list. It's gonna be promoting first, marketing, and then branding. You guys know, go ahead and take out your notebooks and your pencils. You might wanna write these. Well, you need to write this information down. So when it comes to promoting, you can do paid promo or you can do free. Free promotion would be just yourself, you and your friends, or you and your family members, or you and your followers going ahead, just sharing your content. They're sharing it to their story. They don't mind sharing anything for you. They don't gain nothing from it, but just supporting you. When it comes to paid promotion, you can either outsource to you can either have a social media influencer post for you. They'll do stuff like send them money through like Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. They'll post for you for their following. You can run ads on Instagram and Facebook, Google, YouTube, and TikTok. Those are all considered like paid promotions. They both help. Paid and unpaid promotions both help. Anything that's going to gain people's attention, anywhere where it's someone helping you out and it's just not you and it's just not on your page, that's all help. It doesn't matter if you want to do free or paid. And don't pay somebody a big old lump sum if you don't got a big old lump sum in inventory. No, don't do that. This is all for beginners. We're all here learning how to start a business. So I'm not against paid promotions. I'm not against free promotion. Either of them, they work. Okay. All right. So when it comes to promotion, don't focus on, oh, I just need something to post for today for promotion. No, make sure you're posting really good content, really nice content that people are going to engage into. When you do your videos, do nice aesthetic-y videos, nice setup, very clean, that people are going to want to stop and look at. Like I said in my last video, I feel like videos get more attention than pictures when you're promoting. People would stop and watch a video compared to them like just scrolling past the picture. So make sure when you're doing those videos or those TikToks, you try to choose the funniest little TikToks to do, the most trending TikToks. Make sure you know it's cute, it's lit up, the aesthetic is nice. And when it comes to like captions for your promotions, make sure you keep it short and simple and you go ahead and capitalize like the main point. So if you're gonna do something like a buy one, get one free, make sure you capitalize the word free. That always catches people's attention when it comes to, you know, like shopping, especially during the holidays. If somebody see a buy one, get one free, they definitely wanna go ahead and take that. So make sure you capitalize free or whatever the main thing is that's for your promotion, the main whatever. Capitalize that. That's going to get people's attention, and that's what you want people to go ahead and feed into. When it comes to marketing is more so of an action. It's more so of you doing something to gain attention. That's what marketing is to me. So like for example, I'm just going to tie this back into Young Miami. When she released her Rap Freak song, she went on live like 2 days or a day prior to releasing that, and she was playing Smash or Pass with her friends. Nobody knew that she had a video. Nobody knew she had a video or a song coming out with her talking about these rappers or anything like that, even though it was nothing intentional. Like, you know, this is her way of promoting and marketing her song. So she went on there and she was like playing like she was just, you know, playing a little game, talking about she'll smash or pass the baby and baby and stuff like that. That gained a lot of people attention. The T pages was being messy. They was posting it. They was like, oh, she said this, she said that. Oh, y'all made me feel like this about this person, that person. That gained so much attention. That was a great marketing strategy. That gained so much attention. That next day, she dropped Rap Freaks and was talking about those rappers in that song. And she was like, what, was she like top 100 or top 10? Something like that. I don't really know. But it was trending. It was really trending. From her starting off that day before, doing that live video with her friends, and then the next day she dropped the song talking about them. that was a great marketing strategy. So like I said, marketing is more so of an action, what you're doing that's gonna bring people in. Now when I think about it, because I understand marketing a little bit more, so I can go ahead and piggyback off a time that I remember that I could have did better with marketing. So 2 years ago, well, a year and a half ago, in August, I released these Regina George sets. I'm going to put a picture somewhere over here. So once I seen the sets, when I ordered them from my vendor, I already was like, okay, I already know what type of vibe. Well, I didn't know what type of vibe until I got it in my face. Because you know, like when you order stuff through your vendors, they have like all of these different models on there, Chinese models or just models off of Facebook or Instagram. So when I got it in my face and I unboxed it, I was like, okay, this giving like a schoolgirl vibe. This giving like Regina George, Mean Girls. That's what I'm more so going for. I felt like with that shoot, I should have did it like by a school bus. I should have had them have like, you know, little rolling bags, or I should have had it like at a locker room. I like my rings. Like a locker room in a schoolhouse or something like that. That would have gave out more so of a schoolgirl vibe. But I kept it simple. At the time, we went and we did the shoot at the W in Miami, and it was still like super cute. We did a cute video downstairs. Like it had like this checkerboard type thing, so that kind of gave off a little schoolgirl, you know, type of vibe. And I had all of them come out like, you know, from the corners like one by one. It was given, but I could have done a little bit more better when it came to marketing that. So like I said, marketing, when you think about marketing, think of an action. Is more so of an action, more so of what you're doing that's gonna, like, you're doing stuff for attention that's gonna make people come in. I'm not trying to make this video too long, so let's move on to branding. Branding is very important. This is beginner friendly. Like I said, we're all starters here. You can make something look luxury by keeping it simple, okay? Keeping it to 2 fonts, 2 color schemes or 3 color schemes, not too much going on. You can really make something look like a luxury by keeping it simple. Have y'all ever seen somebody selling something and it just looks tacky? Like it's too much art going on. It's just too much colors. Like of course they wanted to stand out, but it didn't really give, you know, I said keep it cute and sleek. You can make your brand look like a luxury by just keeping it simple. Use nice fonts. Don't crowd up so much art on one label. Try to stick to a few color schemes. Okay, so that is it for today's video, you guys. This was episode 2 of the Small Business series. Stay tuned for tomorrow for episode 3. Make sure you guys go ahead and head over to my website, shop my website, www.loveprincessshop.com. Follow me on all social media accounts, and also go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video and to this account, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.